Okay, we're back. So we're going to take some simple and quick examples on how to manipulate complex numbers. Okay, let's see. So examples. Okay, examples. Okay, the first question, factorize the following. Factorize the following. Okay, first one, we have x squared minus 2x plus 2. Okay, then the next one, x squared plus 4y squared. Okay, the next one, number 3, x raised to power 4 plus 1. Then the last one, we have x squared minus 4xy minus 4i y squared. Okay, quickly we take the first one, solution. The first one, be very quick on this. I will write the function, the expression plus 2. Then I'm going to complete the square on this 2. Complete the square on these first two terms to give me x squared minus 2x, okay, plus minus 1 squared, then plus 2 minus 1. You know where this is coming from, okay? So you're not going to ask me questions on this, but if you have questions to ask, no problem, but this is okay. Now this becomes a perfect square. Here we have x minus 1 squared, then plus 1. This is what I have for this, but I have not factorized it yet. I have put it in a form where I can factorize. So this I can write as x minus 1 squared. Let me introduce the complex now. Then minus I squared. Can you see the manipulation I'm making here? Can you see it? So minus I squared produces plus 1. It's still the same thing. So this is now the difference of two squares. I can now apply this to give me x minus 1 plus I in x minus 1 minus I. So I have factorized this. Any trouble? No. Expand it, it takes you back to this. The second one, quickly, I have x squared plus 4y squared. This should be written as x squared plus, right, plus or maybe also plus 2y squared. Okay, this the same with this. Okay, I can introduce the complex now. Okay, if I introduce the complex, so it's going to be equal to x squared minus 2iy squared. If you understand what I've done, okay, look at it carefully. Okay, there's an I inside, so if I square this I, it becomes minus 1 and it changes this to positive. So that means that I'm going to have for this, it's going to be equal to x plus 2iy, then x minus 2iy. I have factorized it. Very simple, right? And straightforward. The next one, quickly, number 3. Number 3, we have x power 4 plus 1. This should be written quickly as x squared plus 1. So this should be quickly written as x squared minus I squared. Any trouble with this? See how I'm using the complex numbers? Okay, so that means we have to now write it as x squared minus I in x squared plus I. Complex numbers. Okay, quickly now, the next one is number 4. So in this number 4, we have x squared minus, sorry, I'll leave this number 4 for you to do. I'll leave it. You're going to do this number 4. I'll leave it. Let me just write it for you. You have it up there. You do it. Okay, let me take another one quickly. Question number 2. Question number 2, prove that 1 plus j raised to power n is equal to prove that if this is equal to this, a plus bi, it's I actually, I, okay, then a squared plus b squared is equal to 2 raised to power n. Okay, I just hope you can be able to solve this. I'll stop here for now. I'll stop there.